One of the many ways to get into a belay position starts by crossing the silks in front of the body. This method is particularly quick and efficient, making it a good choice for fast-moving routines. This move requires a little bit of height, so let's climb up a few feet. Sweep a leg around each pole to create the front cross, then invert, hooking the knees on the side that you started with. Pull up and over, rotating to get into the belay position. Once you are in the belay, you can strike a variety of poses. Wrap a leg around the tails to secure yourself, and then come out of the belay by bringing your shoulders through the loop. Keep one hand in for more posing options, and then bring your hand out of the loop and tug on the fabric to release it. In slow motion, in this example, I'm sweeping my right leg around the right tail, then in a figure 8 pattern, pick up the left tail to create the cross. With both legs between the tails, pull up and over the cross, hooking the knees on the side that was swept first, in this case the right. Climb up on the opposite pole until you can shift the torso up and around into the belay position. It helps to secure the tails by lacing a leg in them. This prevents sliding. And then from here you can go into a straight arm hold. Lace a leg and then go into a foot lock so that you can go into a layback pose. Now bring the shoulder through, leaving one hand inside the loop for grip, and then turn out into a mermaid pose. And then finish up with a flag before coming down, removing your hand from the grip and exiting. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.